G'day guys, it's Luke from Hardkorr Campers, and this is the Xplorer 2.2. Made to get you to some of the country's most awesome locations, our Xplorer 2.2 is absolutely loaded with features. At the forefront of this trailer is comfort. We've got a massive 270 freestanding awning and a queen-size rooftop tent with easy access via the integrated staircase. The best part? You'll have the whole thing set up in under 5 minutes. Just because you're camping shouldn't mean you have to skimp on a gourmet meal. With a full-size kitchen set up with a pantry, prep bench, stove and fridge, you've got a massive space to cook up a storm. And when it comes to washing up, we've even got the kitchen sink too, hooked up to 170 litres of water storage. Some of the country's best pockets to camp are found hours off the beaten track, which is why the Xplorer comes packed with a comprehensive 12-volt setup. In our base model, you'll get two 100 amp hour deep cycle batteries, as well as a DC-DC charger to help you charge those batteries while you drive, or from solar. For those after a little more, fit the trailer with an inverter and run your favourite appliance from home, or get the 240-volt upgrade and run a charger from mains power. Coming with 3,900 litres worth of storage, the trailer's got space for all your gear. There are shelves and drawers for everything from your camp chairs, tables to food and drinks that'll last you weeks. Better yet, you'll find lights in every nook and cranny, making access to your gear a breeze even at night when it's locked up. The Explorer's full-size chassis, heavy-duty suspension and mud terrain tyres make towing your home away from home simple. Whether you're touring the country or spending a weekend at the beach, this trailer will just about go anywhere your car will. Go anywhere and take everything. The Xplorer 2.2 has your dream trips covered.